Last video we discussed the small tent that'll fit in your backpack for your get home bag. In case something happens, you end up having to walk home and it may take a day or two. This is another thing you want to add to that. And it's an emergency sleeping bag. It's actually made from the space blanket material, kind of like a very thin tin foil. And I have used this, as I discussed in the tent video. When it got down to about 48, I took everything outside and tested it. And it's about 7 foot long, extremely thin, but tough. And you just slide your body right down into the hole there. All right, I don't know if I can get the whole thing in the video, but you can see it's a pretty big bag to slip into. It's like the tent also, extremely waterproof, so when you're laying in it, you want to make sure your head is outside of it because the moisture out of your breathing will cause condensation in here, and condensation can't get through on either side. If you're breathing down into it, it will build up. I would also suggest, if you're using an emergency sleeping bag that's made out of space material, wear clothing in there, because if you sweat at least, the clothing will help evaporate that sweat, but any sweat in your skin, this will definitely stick to. But it will hold in the heat. Like I said, I did it in 45, 48 degree weather and slept quite nicely in there. Not as good as I would in my bed, but you know, it wasn't bad. So anyway, that's another thing to add to your get home bag. All right, appreciate you watching. Have a great day.